how to change app icons on Android without any launcher. If you'd like to do so in today's video, we'll be guiding you through the process. So what you can do for that is you can basically go ahead and use an icon changer app or the built-in theme settings. So let's head over to our settings for that and open it up. And from there, scroll to the given options and look out for the option called themes and open it up. Now, once you are here, the themes or the settings may vary depending on the device, but you may basically look out for the section called apps that will involve creating a new shortcut for the app. Tap on icons, and basically you'll be finding different themes within the app's built-in library, your gallery, or any other icon packs. You can basically look out for the one that you would like to add. If you do not want to pay, you can basically search for free and you will be finding all of the free options available. Basically, go ahead and look out for the one that you would like to add up. For example, let's say this is something I would like to add. You may look out for the download option. After that, confirm it. And once you do so, the app will basically be converted into the applied theme icon that you have applied without even using any kind of launcher. So you can basically use this uh, option in order to go ahead and change app icons in Android without any kind of launcher. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.